yeah, like, comment, subscribe, smash that freaking like button. Grrr. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we have a very fun fiery cut crease look. If you like it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any recommendations for future videos. If you want to see how I got this look, you can keep watching. First, I am taking my Benefit Brow Pomade and filling in my brows, starting at the tail of my brow and slowly but surely working my way towards the front once there's a little bit less product on the brush. Going in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil to add a little bit more definition. Now I'm going to set those creamier products in place with the powder from the Benefit Brow ZINGS palette. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm going to put some tape on the corners of my eyes to get that nice clean line again. I'm going to pack the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and Creme Brulee all over my lids. I'm using Sweet Spot from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette for my transition shade, taking it pretty high because we're gonna do a cut crease. And I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush to blend that out. Now on a more precise blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Sunkissed. And then taking that clean fluffy brush again and blending out the edges. Now I'm tapping into Hard Place and slowly building that color up. Now I am very lightly tapping into Brick Road and buffing that even lower in the crease, making sure I tap off any excess product from the brush. Now I'm going back into Sunkissed to blend out those edges a little bit. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape on a really skinny brush, I am going to cut my crease in a little swoop, taking it all the way across. Putting it on my lid initially, looking up to see how far I should take it. Now I am going to take a makeup wipe and clean up any of the eyeshadow that's below that line. Being very careful not to go past that line. Now I'm going to fill in that blank space with the Tarte Shape Tape. Going in with the flat brush to blend it out. Gonna take that concealer right on my flat brush. Try to clean up the edges as much as possible. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do the same thing on the other eye. After making sure that all of the creases are out of that concealer, I'm going to set it in place with the Wet n Wild Creme Brulee eyeshadow again. I'm going to make a wing starting with the darkest shade, which was Brick Road, and slowly but surely working my way into the lighter colors to blend out those darker ones. I am going to move from that small smudger brush to a more precise angled brush. Now taking hard place, I'm going to lightly smudge out that color. Now I'm going to blend out those colors with Sun-Kissed. Taking Sweet Spot to blend out those edges. Making sure not to take these colors up to the crease. Now I am going to take this tape off very carefully. And they kind of match. And with a very skinny brush, the same one that I cut my crease with, I am going to line my cut crease with the NYX glitter primer, and I'll pack the Colourpop glitter in Boombaya from the She's a Rainbow palette on top of that primer. Gonna clean up any fallout with a makeup wipe. Making sure to get the edges over here. I'm gonna prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm gonna focus that on the parts of my skin that have the biggest pores, really pressing it into the skin. And there's glitter everywhere. It's okay. For foundation today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. First, I'm gonna blend that out with a brush. Making sure I take it down my neck. Concealing my under eyes and any other blemishes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Excuse you. Blending that out with a Real Technique sponge. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna make sure that the rest of my foundation is blended in with this. Now using the Coty Airspun powder on a small velour puff, I am setting my under eyes after making sure that any creases are patted out. And then with the small powder brush, I'm setting the rest of my face with that powder as well. Now I'm contouring with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche to add a little bit of definition back into my skin. Adding some warmth back into my skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Now popping the Tarte blush in Party on my cheek and a little bit on my nose. For highlight, I'm mixing the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight with a little bit of the MAC Double Definition Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and with that one I'm just popping it into that gold shade. And then I'm highlighting my inner corner with that combo as well. And then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that combo too. I'm going to redefine my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm going to set my brows in place with the Essence Lash and Brow Mascara. Hopping back over to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil to redefine some of my smaller freckles. I'm lining my lips with my tried and true Essence Lip Liner in Lost in Love. I'm taking the Tristique Mini Matte Lip Crayon in Florence Fig. And I am mixing in a little bit of the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Lip Cream in C104 or Praline Beige. What's up, bud? What's wrong? Wake up! Do you need attention? I'm popping on a little bit of the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Alrighty, to finish off the eyes, I am taking Sunkissed on my lower lash line. And then deepening up the lower lash line a little bit with Hard Place. Alrighty, now I'm gonna curl my lashes and pop on some Ardell Wispies, and I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive, giving the lashes a little bend while I wait for the glue to dry, or get tacky. Now I'm going to mesh my lashes with the falsies using the Bambi Eye Mascara from L'Oreal. And I'm going to load up my lower lash line as well. And then these lashes are on their last legs, and so I'm going to try to mesh that lash band in with my lashes a little bit more by tightlining with the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon. I did a little bit. That's the finished look.